Hi everybody, welcome. Today we're making some sliders, delicious sliders. We're making cheddar cheeseburger sliders with bacon and caramelized apple. So let's see what we need. I have a half a pound of ground beef, about 80 to 85% lean. 3 small buns right here. And for our topping, some lettuce and onions, cheddar cheese. We'll be using some mayonnaise for the buns, butter for caramelizing our apple slices, some red onions of course, and I have some pecan wood thick cut bacon that we'll use for our sliders. So let's get started by cooking our bacon. While our bacon's cooking, I'm going to start working on our burger. The patty right here, I have the meat that I'm making into balls. So you want to divide your meat portion into smaller, equal-sized balls, which we will make into burger patties. So move that here. So essentially use your hand and pat it down. Same for the other 3. Make them flatter than you would like, because as you put them on the stove, when they cook, they kind of shrink and contract and kind of tighten up. So you want to make them small. Season them with salt and pepper on one side first. And while our pan is hot, I'm going to put them seasoned side down first. So now the unseasoned side is on top, so you season that with a little salt and pepper again. Remember, your meat is unseasoned, so it needs a good amount of salt and of course pepper. Now while that's being cooked, on the other side of the pan I'm going to add a little butter for our apples. And gently place your apples in there for them to brown. Caramelized apples are sweeter and they have the flavor of the butter in them, which makes them extra delicious. So we're not going to cook them too much. We just want to brown each side and flip them over and take them out. Maybe about 2-3 minutes. Okay, I'm going to flip our apples. They are nicely caramelized. And I'm going to take them off shortly once the second side is browned as well. Okay, move them to the side. Now our burgers are ready to be flipped here, our patties. And on this side, I'm going to add the cheddar cheese. Just pile it up there, it's going to melt. It will melt a little. Another quick way to do that is to just cover your pan, lower the heat a little bit and let it cook for about a minute. That steam will melt the cheese. Now right here with the buns, I'm going to slather some mayo on. So I have lightly toasted them. Mayo makes your burgers creamy, moist, and it prevents the bread from getting soggy with the burger juice. And on each of the top halves, this is the top half, I'm going to put a small piece of lettuce and a slice of onion. Same for this one. Take a nice crunchy piece of lettuce there. Some onion slices. And same for the third. Lettuce, oops, and onion. Let's take a look at our pan. Okay, that's the time to turn off your stove. And just pick up your burger very gently, your patty, and lay it down on the bread. I'm going to take a piece of, well, let's do the bacon first and then we'll do the apple. So a piece of bacon, small enough to fit onto our sliders, like that. Because you want to make room for the apple to sit on the bacon. And apple and bacon just go so well because bacon is salty and crispy. The apple is sweet. I'm going to take a piece of that. One there. Let's try to do one more each. So delicious. Again, that last piece right here. There you go. Just take that off. There you have it. Beautiful. Your cheddar burger sliders are now ready to enjoy with bacon and caramelized apples.